I want you to pick a simple word. Any word. Let's use the word door. Now say it out loud 30 times in a row. Door, 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 door. Around the 20th repetition, something strange happens. The word detaches from its definition. It stops being a physical object, and it just becomes a weird, alien sound coming out of your mouth. Psychologists call this semantic satiation. It is a temporary brain lesion. You overload your neural pathways until the meaning simply collapses. Coined by Leon Jacobovich James in 1962, the concept proves that repetition doesn't reinforce truth, it destroys it. Rapid repetition overwhelms your sensory systems until the concept itself disintegrates into static. Now, apply that to the internet. We have built a machine that takes powerful, heavy, important words and repeats them millions of times a day across thousands of screens. We use clinical psychology terms as casual insults. We label every inconvenience a crisis. We use the word literally so often that the dictionary had to change its definition. We are experiencing cultural semantic satiation. The internet has repeated everything so loudly and so frequently that the emotional weight of our language has burned out. We are screaming at each other in words that have become nothing more than alien noise. This is the Sunday reset, and there is only one way to fix this glitch. When a word loses its meaning, you can't get it back by shouting it louder. You have to stop speaking. You have to let the neural pathways rest. The only antidote to semantic satiation is absolute silence. Stop scrolling. Go find some silence. Subscribe to recover your meaning.